Why do you two monies?
This is going to be interesting. Like silence has to be in game chat. You can't talk on
Yes.
Discord. And I also have a microphone for his Xbox, so he can't communicate in game chat. This is going to be fun.
Wait, so he can only talk in Discord?
Yes, he can only talk in Discord.
Oh
So, yeah,
no.
Linda
Okay,
can
well
only
hey,
talk in Discord.
you
Linda
can
only
wait.
talk in game chat.
Change your in-game setting to open mic, and then you can talk in Discord, and the one can hear you, and Silence can hear you. It's just
What
when
I'm gonna do
Silence
is I'm going to
talks.
go to game chat so that Song will be able to hear it. We just won't be able to hear Song. I'm going to go to game chat so I can hear Silence and his friend, but we won't be able to hear anything Song saying.
Okay.
You can only talk in Discord.
Reg, you're supposed to be sniper, goddammit.
But anyway.
Just don't slow me down, okay?
I'm locked in, sorry. No, we'll see how this goes.
Roak, you can load in though. You can go dock and come in.
I'm holding.
Yeah, I think Reg is holding. Yeah, I think Reg is holding. Everybody else can come in, yeah. Dark can come in, drop your nade. Oh, Roak, you're last actually. Reg came in, but it's about to be the end of the timer anyway, so. Nothing up here. Oh, I have both toolkits. Wow, that's good for him, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We do not have a box in here though, that's a rip. Extra pill?
I'm beating the Ravens and Mosey, I'm off RNG.
You can pick this up.
Oh my god, don't say I'm gonna get another fucking tack again all fucking game. That would
I
be
know.
cringe.
Yeah, welcome to my life.
Bro, where are the card boxes? What?
Fuck if I know.
Oh, there's one. Okay.
Dark race. I'm
fucking stupid.
Can't be late. Can't be late.
I'm fucking stupid. We're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. No! I've committed the most egregious of errors. I'm the worst. Shun me. Shame me. I am the worst. I am the worst. I am the worst. I am the worst. I am not worthy.
We need a heal.
I'm not worthy. Wait, I can get one back. I can get one back. Fuck, I need stamina to get one back though. I'm gonna need all my stamina.
Reloading. There we go. See why you guys like this.
Alright, I'm doing something stupid, don't mind me!
Right, we're not holding.
I love how it's backwards now. Wait, what? Huh? Hold up, wait, what? What did that just... Am I stupid? Did it just fucking... What the hell happened to it? He's docked, by the way, guys. He's docked, by the way. You need to get him up. What? It just... What? Okay, it's so... Oh, it's both! Oh, it's both! Hell yes!
I don't know what's going on here.
Don't worry about it. I made an oopsie and I recovered it, but... Wait, what's going on? Is he out the back? Oh, what the hell, y'all? I didn't realize. Yeah, I didn't realialize he got...
Just standing there like...
Oh my god, we're throwing confirmed? Yeah, we're throwing. Confirmed.
Because I'm sitting there like, hello?
Christ.
I mean, I wouldn't mind a pickup either, I'm still alive.
I'm gonna be... I don't think we can get to you, to be honest. Alright, we'll be here one day. We'll get out of here one day, Ridge. I have a fucking tack, so...
At least it's not raining.
I was going for Roak, and I don't know what was going on back there.
No! Alright, we're giving him a chance. I like it, I like it. That was all part of the plan.
Not a bad start. Dig in and hold them back.
Well, yeah, you have to lull them into a false sense of security.
Exactly, exactly.
I got you. All right.
And we're shredder bug.
Oh my god. This is
Oh,
the worst
that's
fucking
funny.
game ever.
Oh my god. That's good stuff.
Or do you want to rush?
That's alright, it's alright. We'll give him a round at least, probably.
Oh,
We'll give him a round. Alright.
Alright.
Who wants to spend next?
Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, I'll spend on offense.
Okay. Arachnics, yeah.
Okay, what I should do? Quicker
Just Reeker util, yep.
Okay.
Oh, and pray.
I'm gonna play with some
They'll
more.
win this round. They'll win this round, but it's
Yeah.
okay. We won't screw everything up next round. I didn't expect y'all to have it down behind the building, or I never would have left. Like,
You'll make trauma.
how did that even happen?
Yep.
What happened when I left to fix my egregious mistake? How did we end up back here?
We all made egregious mistakes. Was the problem. Like I'm like I go back out there and I'm like I should go revive Derp. I'm walking.
Oh, they got AA-12s. Oh my god, they got a double crate of AA-12s.
You know what? I'm almost happy for him.
I want one. Just one. This is twice now. Twice I've gotten attack round one and the other team's gotten 2 AAs. Like, what is
Dude,
that?
They've been it has been taunting me with like fucking tax.
Bro, there ain't no way. Nobody
Oh
got
my-
one. Neither of them got
got
one.
one
Nobody
tonight.
got one.
No, I've been getting shitted on by AAs.
No, I'm talking about they didn't get them. Nobody got them on their team. They have a Super 90 right now. I don't even
Really?
think they know about them. I'm not even sure they know about them.
Leave them there next round. I'll pick one. That's crazy, man.
Oh, I'm on dock in the back.
Sorry, Carrick.
Well, this is bad. Oh, Jesus. All right, maybe we need to... Yeah.
Let's back
Okay,
up.
there you go. Just a little. Alright, they're good. They're good now. They're good.
The fact that we could though is nice to know.
Mm-hmm.
I hope he has scar.
I think that's going through the walls, yeah. No shot! Oh, he doesn't have that deck.
He can't.
That or he didn't pick the cards in order.
That's my ass is eating him up way too easy. I feel like he doesn't have scar. I mean, there's being a guy and then there's beating a guy.
Oh, they flashed me.
Yeah, you can shoot my body.
Oh, that's right. I forgot we were shredder bugged.
Yeah. That's what I'm running in. Get some acid in there. I mean, if he doesn't have scar tissue, he doesn't want any part of the...
How am I too close to spawn there?
You stay in. You stay in. You stay in.
I have both toolkits for this round too, by the way.
Oh. Too bad it's on like the best map for that.
Yar, yar, yar.
I mean, of course.
It's one of the worst, but
The way I know exactly.
yeah,
The way this is going. We do have a shredder though.
we do.
Oh yeah. I'll give him some of my juicy acid.
Mm-hmm.
They got cocky there around. They think, oh, 220.
Okay, let's do. Who wants to go first?
Okay, what do you got?
Yep, go ahead and spin that dark. Just get the normal stuff.
Alright. What do you want to get? Like, you want to get like monstrous or?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. Roak, finish off monsters and get us handling slow.
Ravens.
What?
No, Ravens, go tall boy.
I'll do Wretch here. That's fine.
I trust that. I'm relieving him of shredder duty since he always stays the police shredder.
Yep. Since my acid is worthless.
Yeah, I feel bad.
Damn, they just got like 3 out of 4 grenade. That one great.
Are we on the public game server or what is this? AAs, grenades dropping.
They got an AA-12 this time? No, that's LMG. They might still not have one, actually.
They're trapped. They're just like, eat it. Somebody eat this? You eat this.
They double nade?
I ate it in 2 nades. Okay.
Got one of the bear traps.
Oh, they're losing it, guys. They're losing it. That's gonna be rough here in a second. And you guys, oh my goodness, that's gonna be rough.
It'd be a shame if he ran in.
One little wretch. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Yeah, that's too much. He's gonna die before he gets it. He's gonna die before he gets it, just barely. Oh, almost. Nope, they didn't. Fuck.
I'm impressed.
I forgot the swarm's up. They forgot one.
I don't know if I'm gonna get this, but I know I overshot it by a mile. Jesus Christ.
Wait, and now I cut him off the front door. Yeah. Oh, there was a bear trap. Oh, they don't have to come out. Yeah, they don't have to come out. They don't have to. No.
Oh, you bastards!
I don't think they have any nades left either. Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
This is like the old school games. Like our time last round. This is like the old games.
Oh yeah, yeah, the load times, yeah.
A couple years ago, we'd be like, solid time, solid time.
That's what
Trailer. Barbet, beer trap.
I'm coming in this time. I have stuff to drop and 2 toolkits.
Alright. Who's holding? Alright, Red, your last.
I'll check Mozam's little fucking truck. I hate putting myself out here because I know it can spawn here, but it's just so far away from everything.
I'm running some pills into hold. They're gonna be on the thing by the stove. What else we got? Maybe find an LMG. Oh no, we haven't spawned in yet, never mind.
Alright, Reg, I think we're about set.
Alright.
Hey.
Ooh!
LMG.
Oh. Man,
Ah,
good
fuck.
luck with
Fuck. Mark card boxes, mark card boxes. Is there one back there? No. How about one in this trailer? There is not.
This one here.
Yeah. Oh, in that trailer? Okay, go to that trailer then. Come to this trailer, guys. Come to this trailer. We'll get it open. We'll get the card box open in here.
Okay.
Yep. Is there one in the bathroom, please? Nah, fuck. You can't go in the window, Rich. You can, yeah. You can't jump in that window.
I got in.
Is this not the... No, it's okay. It is the bullet pin one. Interesting. I don't know why that's not working. This poor guy's still trying to figure out how to get in. Alright, let's get a main trailer in case there's a card box there, I think now. Yeah, I think we go to main trailer now just in case there's a card box there.
Alright, I'm going over. Everybody behind me.
Yep.
Alright, I'm in. Don't see card box yet. I'm looking in the back. Okay, card box is in the old trailer.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm coming.
Billy Rabbit.
Mother fucking cock-sucking bruiser. I need my fucking ammo.
Get in. Let's just go inside.
Oh, yeah, we're losing trailer.
Yeah, you guys are losing it. Yeah, you're losing it.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Yippee! Oh, no! I meant to stay up there. Oh, there's a nice Barrett there. Actually.
No.
I got you right. Yay! No! Yay!
Reloading.
I'll take that, I guess.
What do you mean you guess?
My attachments. I was deciding if I wanted to unbolt or not at the last second.
Keep up the good work.
Oh, what'd you get by the way? Anyways, I forgot to ask.
What, weapon-wise? I did get an AA-12.
Oh, did you? Good, good.
Yeah. I'm coming in because I have stuff to drop. Dark should not be the last one in either. He's in a bad spot, so we were both in the pit.
I can be the last one. I can hold.
Okay. Or Red. Just one of you guys are in the same spot, so it's up to you.
Ooh, Roak, hold. Yep.
Yeah.
What do you guys say about RG? The LMG can spawn down here sometimes, or is that something
It
else?
can, yeah. It can, yeah. I'll help you watch pit.
Okay. Where does it spawn? Like here?
There's a weapon crate that can spawn, yeah, right there, and then there's also a weapon crate that can spawn right here, so it could be either one of those. But
Okay, I'll stay up until we confirm.
yep. Alright, I think we're about set. Right. You can go.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. It's down there. It's an RPK, but it's here. Toolkit's
Yeah, you
not
know
though.
what? That's a gold. Yeah. I like the
Sorry about the
attachments.
cards.
If he has it, I mean. Oh no, we don't. Yeah, we don't need another card. Never mind.
Oh yeah, we should be. We got all our cards.
I get the death with me.
I'm gonna pull some health from this room. There's a crate here, but I'm gonna have time. I'm bringing you over some badges. I'm gonna drop them in red.
Ooh, fuck! I thought I could make that jump.
I'll smoke your way in.
Yeah, through the holdup. What? I was hiding behind the crossbars,
What happened?
and that didn't kill him. That's great.
Got it. Ooh, Defib City, hello. Population me.
Mine.
We have 2 Defibs now, that's crazy.
Oh, unreg.
I think I should start healing you guys.
I mean, yeah. Oh, I'm in a pus handle. That's actually kind of bad. I got stuck there for a second. Thank you.
Fell for the most classic of blunders.
Haha.
Thinking so did I.
Number
Thank you. Gotta get out of this. There we go.
Our shotgun is so much fun.
It is.
It's like playing Doom.
Yep. I'm liking the LMG too, that's... It's an adjustment. It's like playing the automatics and Left 4 Dead a little bit.
It's just literally like playing Doom. You just charge everything and murder it. Can somebody drop shot ammo in a second? Just one person.
Yeah, how often can I do that?
Right here, right here.
Yeah, there's some in the middle.
Oh my god, I just inadvertently got the shredder too. Because he stepped in front of me. That was unfortunate for him.
Oh my gosh, this is like a murder button, I love it.
I never thought I'd do this when I was going.
It's certainly an adjustment for playing shoddy a lot, but...
Oh no, we're losing stuff above.
Okay, alright.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. On Reg, there's something behind that pillar. I just went ahead and naded it. Go ahead and grab him.
Mine.
We going to secondary room.
We're gonna have to, yeah. Go across.
Nade in the middle. Evans.
You can take it. I'm not Walker.
Oh, I have one. I have one.
Nothing there.
We're losing the other room too. We're getting a shitty circle.
Same.
God damn it.
Watch out on
Mm-hmm. You can go for him. That's our doc, guys, here. Fuck, I'm never gonna get this fucking reload off. Oh, I did.
above us.
Oh, he didn't die. Fuck, I stopped shooting. I shouldn't have stopped shooting. Thought he'd be dead.
Got the ammo crate when you get it, if you get to it. You can cast storm, thank you.
Oh, I need ammo actually too. Yeah, I need shotty.
Yeah. Shoddy life.
Here you go. Dropping LMG right here. Somebody drop shotty. Ah!
Yeah, somebody else has to. I drive you.
I'm dropping my def.
I just need shotty.
I'm running.
Somebody
I'm running.
drop me shotgun. Ah.
Yeah, I don't have any airwood though.
I'm going for the shotgun up top and my nade.
I dropped the shotgun here.
I got some. I flashed you guys. I hope it helped.
Oh, it does. We're at like 520, so
Yep.
I'm not really worried about it. We're just.
I'm surprised, yeah, none of y'all went down in that time, because then I ended up going down in the swarm, which sucked, but...
Yeah, Red's just hanging on by an ass here.
Nice.
Oh, an AA-12 with a speed stock and a long barrel, so much fun.
Yeah, I know. It's great.
So far, so good, but we still got work to do.
I'm glad you got a good shotgun in your shotgun room.
I did.
Or no, you were playing Rush. I'm gonna try sharp pulls on this map.
I'm gonna go Exploder to give him a little bit of a less craziness, at least for a while.
Talk about old school.
Yeah, that's a good time, and they got a brand new person, so...
Oh yeah, maybe I can go.
You can still do Shredder, but
Still
I just
Shredder,
without constant acid on them, they should hopefully be okay. Like the wretch does a lot.
Straight into the pit.
I'm not Nafi. I can't do it right now. Can't bring myself to. I go for the KO, not the jugular. Unless it's Arc Raiders, then I just murder. Murder all the time.
Always best to have an ace up your sleeve.
They have a new AA-12 here.
I found some intel.
Phoenix, that looks like it's decent up there, but still a Phoenix. They have a saw.
looks like they have side cards here. Yep. They got the walkway cards. god.
He does have an M249 still, though. It must be last rounds, but...
What the fuck? Nope, nope, nope. My controller.
Red is having controller issues.
Oh no. Oh no. No, don't paw me. That's not fair.
I don't know what that was. Kinda.
Oh no. That's a rough pull.
I didn't know it was gonna be that devastating.
Oh my goodness, they're in the corner. They got lots of common. I got him. Oh my goodness, they're the common.
We spend that much on common?
It's just they weren't killing them very fast. Oh no, they had to use another nade.
No, you didn't spend that much on common because you had 3 players with
Quiet.
unspent points.
Quiet, Mal. You see nothing. You see nothing. We're just mozamming it up, okay? We're just mozamming it up. It's the mozam strat. Save all our points for round 4.
4, yeah.
Oh no! Did I blow him all the way over there? Oh no.
I just say I do. Really off a little bit.
They're mostly just struggling with the tall boys because the HP is so high. Round 3. Yeah, actually they killed that pretty well. Oh, well.
Sorry, Camp.
Oh, not the swarm, y'all, not the swarm. That was a lot.
You like my little ballerina twirl?
Someone want to help?
Oh my god, I was too far away.
I lose red a little bit, but I think they have half of it.
Imagine if the exploder had the shredder's range, Mao, from Ark.
I don't know, somebody
Yeah,
like...
it
Got
would be the
stuck
best.
on the ladder.
If it had that much range, it would be the best class.
Maybe if it did a lot of damage, yeah.
Yeah. Or it would actually be usable.
Wombo combo! Wombo combo! Yeah! We got him! We got him!
I'm over here. Get me up. Cover.
Oh, this poor duck.
All I see is this fucking exploder running.
I've
Oh
actually
my
been
God.
doing things. I have like 3 exploder knocks. Yes!
that's what
The
a lot of
wombo
things
combo!
are.
The wombo combo! We did it again! But inspiring just cancels it out.
Hey guys.
Oh my goodness, yeah, that's 2 full deads.
He's struggling.
Yeah. I got a solid time out of it. This map's hard. It's such an infected-sided map.
Here.